Hi everyone, this is Kumaraswamy Matpade. This is my second video on Salesforce CPQ. In this video, I'm trying to explain on conditional discount schedule applied using price rule. So I have a requirement where that we have a two types of quote, like one for a standard customer and one for a startup customer, where we want to give a different discount for them on based on the quantity. So we created a two separate discount schedule, one for the standard and one for the customer. For achieving this I created a first standard custom field, custom lookup field on product. It will be lookup to the discount schedule. After that, we have created a two discount schedule, one for standard, one is a standard discount schedule, where we are giving like between 1 to 100. If they selected any quantity, means for a standard customer we are giving a $0 of discount. If they selected one above 100 to 200, means we are giving $2 of discount for them, for a standard customer. For in condition in case of startup customer, if they buy between 1 to 100 any licenses, means we are giving $1 of discount. And above 100 to 200, if they buy any quantity of license, means we are giving $3 of discount for that customer. So after that, I created a price rule. uh, Evolution for that price rule, evaluation scope will be a calculator. After evaluation, calculator evaluation event will be on initialization of that product, or on clicking on that calculate button. After that, I create in price condition. One more thing we have done at quote level for identifying this quote is a standard or startup quote. For that, we have created a custom field, custom pick list field. So we will initialize here that this quote is standard or a startup. So my condition is object will be a quote and field will be quote type. Operator, when quote type is not equal to null, this condition will match. After that, we have a price action where target object will be quote line and target field will be discount schedule. So this at a quote line, which discount schedule applied, that will be captured at quote line. And I used a formula where quote type equal to startup, means if quote type equal to startup, then startup discount schedule will be fire. If not, means if it's not matches, means then standard discount schedule field will that will be fire. That field will be fire. That after that, let's jump into the code. Presently here I taken quote. This quote has a standard, so I will add now that product. Okay, we will add that product. I have that product called antivirus for PC. I will select. So as you can see, standard discount schedule applied for this, and quantity is one. As you see, for one between 1 to 100 any quantity we have 0. So I will change quantity to 120 on calculate. So you can see here, so above 100 we are giving uh, 13 has a discount. Per license will be 13, plus up to 100 1500 for 100. So you can see here $1760. So let's try for this one, startup quote. So we will change the quote type equal to startup. we will select that product. So here you can see for one quantity also it has been applied a discount, $1 of discount in the see here you also you can see schedule discount schedule applied is startup discount schedule for between 1 to 100 whatever they select one for that will be $1 discount will be for a particular license. If we selected 120 license and calculate, so 1 to 100 there will be per license it will be $14 1400 plus 20 20 into 12, so after calculation it will be 1640. I think this video helpful for you all. For more new video upcoming days there are more scenario based for CPQ scenario based video will be come. For that please subscribe my channel. Thank you. I think this video will helpful for you. Thank you.